We put Alpha CentauriA only 0.2 astronomical units from our Sun, and in a blink our system became a binary. At first the change is almost beautiful. Two suns begin to dance, and you can actually feel the rhythm of gravity shifting under everything. But almost immediately, small bodies notice first. Mercury's orbit goes wrong. It gets tugged between two massive pulls and drifts into dangerously close paths around both stars. It's the classic three-body chaos. A tiny nudge becomes a runaway tug. The inner planets show only small signs at first, but the heat tells another story. 10 days in, the average temperature on Earth jumps to about 8.6 degrees Celsius, a big move in such a short time. That's because we've added a second star nearby, and even if it's only a little larger or brighter than our Sun, the extra radiation is sudden and direct. After a month, the mean climbs above 18 degrees Celsius, and by then Earth's orbit is visibly distorted. It's closing in, pulled a bit tighter between the two stars. Venus and Mars follow the same drift, just slower. Their orbits don't change all at once. They stretch and kink over weeks into months. 8 months later things stop being theoretical. Mars, which had been slowly pushed into a more vulnerable path, is swallowed by our Sun. It's not a dramatic fireworks scene, more of a slow, fatal spiral as gravity reclaims what it can. At the same time, the outer architecture has unraveled. Jupiter, instead of settling into the new gravitational balance, finds itself on a counter-trajectory and simply breaks free, flung outward on a path that ejects it from the system. It's counterintuitive but textbook. Add a second massive object and the old stable lanes can become slingshots. Uranus appears to join Jupiter on that exodus, and Saturn drifts inward, following the two stars as they themselves slowly head toward the system's edge. Neptune looks indecisive, caught between staying and leaving, a perfect illustration of how cruel and indifferent gravity can be. Small bodies and fragments cling to the moving suns, forming ragged families in the new neighborhood. Others are scattered into lonely, interstellar trajectories. Temperature-wise, the change is brutal and fast. Earth cycles between 40 and 60 degrees Celsius in your run as its orbit becomes unstable and its distance to the stars varies. With that kind of mean and those swings, weather systems collapse, oceans recirculate wildly, and any region outside refuges near the poles becomes extremely hostile. Could humans survive? In theory, isolated populations at high latitudes, underground, or in engineered shelters might persist for a while, but the world that supported us would be fundamentally altered. This is a quiet kind of apocalypse,